Change your position. This is how you win. Welcome. Because again I'm covered. Huh? Okay. Okay, now you slap, is it? Okay. So how dare you can touch on me? They will support you. So let's imagine. Once apply, releases the brake, what will happen? Go back. So once you go back, so basically you are going, by pushing him or either going with the elbow. I didn't go hard on it, but a small elbow jerk. So basically you are not fighting. Oh, I'm sorry, didn't do it on purpose. Right? Or if he is not applying the brake also, so everyone knows how to sneeze, right? How do you sneeze? You all wear heels, right? If something is there, just step and always try to protect. Your elbows are your good friends always. You be in a crowded place, be in a disc or whatever. The elbows can be pointed. Basically, you don't have to hurt too much with the elbows. Even if you're pointing here, even if you're pointing if somebody is trying to come near to you in a club or disco or something, so this hurts, like but never go it as like, yes, it is okay, once it's okay, twice it's okay, because even if you're staring or even if you're giving a glance, it's like, yes, it's no is no, so we are giving a hint to that, yes, you can't do it, right? Even I might get scared, but you have to pretend that you're not scared. So whenever somebody, even if you see this National Geography and all, we have seen this lion and tiger. Animals, the predators. They see for a week. Somebody is weak. Just stay for a week. From that, they will target on them. And basically, whatever the attackers, repellent, what you see, are never less than practice. Human beings are also animals. So it's instinct that we always look for. We always try to hop on a body language, how you talk, how you present. This is how. Just to give a simple example. Other day I was just I have your hand and stand hold there. So basically what I want to do is that maybe my plan is to abduction or kidnapping or whatever. This is my first step. So I'm holding. Come out of this. So then
the other side. You have to turn it the other side. You turn it the other side. Twist his arm. No, twist his arm. No, go ahead.
Okay,
you
come.
Turn.
Now she'll twist and twist and twist.
Somewhat she's near. So basically somebody holds it strong. So now the basic first thing is that you start pulling. If he is stronger, so this is the thing. If somebody is pulling, so now don't resist, right? When you take a step back, when tiger takes a 2-step back, is to pounce on it. So basically what you do is that surprise him, pull it. So what I did, come, go with a groin kick. You don't have to be expert on this. So try to understand what are the vital points. Eyes. Basically you don't have to target the eyes with any kind of Jackie Chan's snake hook or tiger claw. Just go with a blank. Somebody is trying to attack you, just go. This is the first defense. So this is how we do, right? If somebody tries to hit you. So eyes, nose, throat, right? So groin and especially thing. So basic things. I'm not going across any kind of the weak points. So basically eyes and groin. So groin basically in the self-defense, as I told you, self-defense. So I'm fighting against this hand. So he is putting the strength from here. So I'm not able to put my strength. So first thing is that instead of removing, but again if I remove it, again he will hold it, right? Again he might hold this hand. So basic thing is that somebody holds it here, somebody hold it properly. Hold it here. So this is one thing. So now the first thing is that I'm holding this. Holding it here. This is my thing. But I am holding it here so that now if moment I come here, his hand will lose space. So I have to take out some time to damage it. So now what I am doing is that I am starting to put pressure here. So No, if you are having a pain, just tell me. Okay, so I'm telling you are laughing, so I'm trying my wrist. So first thing is that the moment I do this, his hand will come out. Obviously, he will let go. But I'm holding it here. I'm holding it here. And you think this is a long sequence. This doesn't come like 1, 2, 3. Somebody holding it here. It should. So basic drill is that you hold my hand. I do like this. Basic drills. So you hold this. I hold his hand, he'll do this small, simple drill, so that your reflexes, you're practicing properly. So basically you can just do, hold it tight, hold it. So now, for example, he's overpowering me, still I can do with 2 arms, right? I can easily manipulate it. So for example, he's very strong. So I'm holding this, same thing, taking from outside to inside. Moment I come here, moment, for example, he tries to escape his hand from here, means I'm not able, he removes his hand from here to go for a armbar. Right? Can you come out of this? Right? So basically, doesn't require more strength, you're going against a joint manipulation. So basically, this is, so this one hand, this is wrist lock, this is armbar, right? For example, he has any weapon in hand, kimura. Okay, right? Yeah. So just thinking why I came to you or something like this. Okay. So you girls want to practice that once? The partner is strong or he's holding you down. So you can release your shoulder. So now you this side. This okay. No, wait. Now hold our hand. Hold our hand.
Hold my hand.
That hand. And start giving a pressure here. Pressure down.
Okay, I'm going to
Hold it. This is pressure. So here I'm talking about. So hold it down.
full body. Not that much.
So now, the moment you come here, for example, this grip goes out.